Hello everyone. Hope you are doing good. Today we will be learning very interesting topic in economics which is very much important in our day-to-day lives. Before starting with the topic, let's see a picture. Now observe the picture carefully. What do you observe? There is a boy and a girl. They are exchanging goods among themselves. So yes, let's begin. This is nothing but barter exchange. Let's study the history of barter exchange. Earlier, the needs of man were very limited and simple. He could produce everything whatever he wanted to satisfy his limited wants. Due to advancement of civilization, he could not produce all his requirements. So he felt the need of dependency, and this was the time when the barter system came into the picture. Then let us see the meaning of barter system. Meaning of barter system means exchange of goods and services with other person for something he needed. And in this, goods and services are exchanged for goods and services. It is suitable for primitive economy. Human wants slowly and steadily multiplied due to the growth of civilization and advancement. But later man experienced many difficulties faced due to the barter exchange. And then some new thing was invented. Before studying that, let's see the picture. What this picture says. This picture is about a book. Now where does this book come from? How do you buy this book? From money, right? So yes, we are going to learn about money and its function in the subject economics. What is meaning of money? Money was invented many years ago and it is derived from the word moneta, which was a surname of Roman goddess of Juno. It can be anything chosen consent as medium of exchange for goods and services. It is an important indispensable element of modern civilization. Now let's study the definitions of money. So these are the definitions given by various economists. According to Seligman, a thing that possesses general acceptability means accepted by everyone. According to the Crowther, anything that is generally accepted as a means of exchange and which at the same time acts as a measure and store of value. Now, measure of exchange means it can be used for exchanging of goods and services and it can store value also. According to F.A. Walker, money is what money does, means all the features of money. Let's study the features of money. It has general acceptability, means accepted by everyone. Nobody can say no to accept it. It can be defined based on its function and performance. Yes, it is defined by its function we saw in the previous definition. The demand for money is derived. Yes, every demand is derived from the money. It has generalized purchasing power. Yes, it is of various types. Let's see the types of money. There are two types of money, metallic money and paper money. What is metallic money? Money made up of metals and which was used during the various historic period, and it is durable in nature as it is made up of metals. Coins made up of silver, gold and copper. Paper money, it is made up of paper. China was the first country to introduce this type of money. It is much durable. And examples of these are currency notes of various denominations. Let's see important topic, functions of money. There are two main functions of money, that is primary function and secondary function. This is just the outlay. Under primary function there are two functions, medium of exchange, measure of value, and the secondary there are three, standard of deferred payment, store of value and transfer of value. Firstly, primary function of money. Under that first one, medium of exchange. Yes, money is used as a medium of exchange. It has general acceptability, means it is accepted by everyone. Modern times, all goods and services are expressed in terms of price and they exchange money for it. Buy goods and services. Example, consumers while buying things pay money as a medium of exchange. Now the next one under primary function is measure of value. Yes, it acts as a unit of account. Values of all goods and services expressed in terms of money called price. Yes, we discussed in the last point. Helps to compare the prices of different goods and services. Yes, so understand the comparison between two products of different brands. Helps to find out the relative values of different communities with each other. Yes, we can find the relative values also. It differs from country to country. For example, a price of a good in our country and in other country would be different. We can understand by money. Example, income and expenditure, assets and liabilities. The picture highlighted is depicting that. Next, now primary functions are ended. Now let's go to the secondary functions of money. Under that, first one is standard of deferred payment. Now what is deferred payment? Deferred payment means the payment which has to be done in future, which acts as a unit in terms of which deferred payment are stated, facilitated as all present as well as future transaction. Like you can pay right now or in future also. Credit transactions are also possible nowadays. Yes, get loans and advances from various banks. Made borrowing and lending less risky nowadays. Yes, more stable than other any commodity. Yes, future payments of the commodities. Next function is store of value. It stores value in it. More convenient asset. Yes, it's just you can nowadays digitalization has came. In your phone also you carry your money. No need to carry the cash. Asset holds property, has purchasing power. Yes, you can purchase anything whatever you want using money. Can be used in present or future for purchasing goods and services. Possible without much loss in value. Yes. And example for this is money stored in terms of deposit, cash and investment. Savings which we do in our various, it can be under SIP, your post savings and so on. Third and the last function is transfer of value. Purchasing power can be transferred from one place to another. If I am in India, I can buy any commodity or anything I want abroad countries, or I am in any state of India, I can buy any other product from the other state. I can buy property as well from place to place. It means real assets like building as well. Land from one place can be sold with the help of other, and it goes vice versa also. Lastly, so we have covered all the functions of money, types of money, meaning of money and features of money. Thank you.